So, and SARDI undertakes sardine stock assessments. So every other year they go out, okay, with a vessel, and they use plankton nets, collect samples, and work out the number of sardine eggs per square meter. Okay, so they do a vertical integral with their nets. Okay, and then they produce maps. And here's shown on the left-hand side is one for 2013. Okay, and you can see the locations. So the big circles are actually referring to 500 to 10,000 eggs. So that's where the highest density of eggs is found. The smaller circles, 50 to 500, and then when the circles disappear, you have 0. So now you can see essentially where the sardines are. Okay, let's have a brief look at it. Okay, let's just get the pointer on, and you can see in this example, 2013. Well off the entrance of Spencer Gulf, you can see there's a large numbers here. You can see some large circles in this area, okay, coinciding with the upwelling region. But we also have some large along the shelf break. This is where the shelf break. Okay, and from that there are estimates. You use statistical methods to estimate the total spawning biomass, and you look at variability, year-to-year variations. And this is shown here in this. Let me get the pointer on. How does it work? Here. And it's 200,000 is the line here, and you can see the variations. They look like relatively stable in recent years. But what I highlight is we come back to that year, it's 2013. It's a little bit lower, okay? It's sort of 10% lower than the average, but then you have some years where it's higher. These gray bars refers to there are error bars. It shows you a maximum, the minimum. There are errors associated with the estimates. Okay, by the way, on this map here on the left, all these tiny dots actually show you where they measure. Okay, these are all transects of all measurements. You can see that there's a pretty good coverage. Okay, so they don't miss out on any significant location. All right, and we come back to that figure later on.